Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tutorialverse Hub. Today, I've got a mind-blowing kitchen hack for you that's going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. We've all been there, right? You're trying to slice a ripe tomato, and instead of a clean cut, you just end up squishing it into a pulpy mess. The culprit? A dull knife. Now, you could go out and buy a fancy knife sharpener. But what if I told you that you probably already have a professional-grade sharpener sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now? That's right. The secret weapon we're using today is this: a simple ceramic mug. I know it sounds a little crazy, but trust me, this works wonders. It is the perfect solution for when your knife is just starting to lose its edge and needs a quick touch-up. So, grab your favorite mug, your dullest knife, and let's get started. First things first, let's understand why this works. Flip your ceramic mug upside down. See this rough, unglazed ring on the bottom? This part right here is key. This unglazed ceramic is a fantastic abrasive material. It's not quite as coarse as a low-grit whetstone, but it's perfect for honing and refining an already existing edge. Think of it like very, very fine grit sandpaper. It's going to gently grind away a microscopic layer of steel from your blade, realigning the edge and making it sharp again. It's a process called abrasion, and it's the fundamental principle behind all knife sharpening. Now for the technique. Safety is always number one, so please be careful and go slow, especially the first few times you try this. Hold the mug firmly on a stable, non-slip surface, like a countertop or a cutting board with a damp towel underneath it. You don't want it sliding around. Next, take your knife. The most important part of sharpening is maintaining a consistent angle. For most Western-style kitchen knives, a 20-degree angle is what you're aiming for. Now, how do you find 20 degrees without a protractor? Here is an easy trick. Start with your blade perfectly perpendicular to the ceramic surface. That's 90 degrees. Halve that to get 45 degrees. Now halve that angle again, and you're right around 22.5 degrees, which is close enough. Just a slight, shallow angle is all you need. The key is to keep that angle consistent with every single stroke. All right, let's do it. Hold the knife handle securely. Place the heel of the blade, the part closest to the handle, against the ceramic ring at your 20-degree angle. Now, with light to medium pressure, you're going to sweep the blade across the ceramic, pulling it towards you. As you pull, you also want to glide the knife sideways so that you sharpen the entire length of the blade from the heel all the way to the tip. It's one smooth, sweeping motion. Let's watch that again. Angle, sweep, and pull. You should hear a gentle grinding sound, like a soft shh. That's the sound of the ceramic doing its job. Now you need to do the same thing for the other side of the blade to create a balanced, sharp edge. Flip the knife over, find that same 20-degree angle, and repeat the exact same motion. One stroke on one side, then one stroke on the other. Keep alternating sides. I recommend doing about 5 to 10 strokes per side. Remember, we're not trying to reshape the entire blade here. We're just refining the very edge. Light pressure is all you need. Pushing too hard can actually damage the blade. After you've done your passes on both sides, it's time to clean your knife. There will be tiny metal shavings on the blade that you can't even see, so it's crucial to wipe it down carefully with a damp cloth or rinse it under water. And don't forget to wash the bottom of your mug too. It will likely have some gray metal streaks on it, but they'll wash right off. And now, for the moment of truth. This is how you know if you've been successful. I've got a ripe tomato here, the ultimate test for a sharp knife. Before, this knife would have just squished it. But now, look at that. It glides right through with almost no effort at all. Clean, perfect slices. The difference is just incredible. It's like having a brand new knife. This simple mug trick has brought it back to life. So there you have it. A quick, easy, and completely free way to sharpen your knives using something you already own. This is perfect for regular maintenance to keep your knives in top cutting condition. Try it out for yourself, but please, be safe and take your time. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this tip helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen hacks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.